and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, you guys. I'm in episode 4 of the Shane and Jeffree series. Like, what is my life? What is my life? I am in there for a whole like 3 seconds, 2 seconds, I don't know. It's like the best 3 seconds of my life, but I'm in the video, you guys. I'm so excited. Okay, anyways, I'll do a reaction on when I saw it and the whole like just everything. I'll do a separate video, but anyways, you guys, okay, so the most important thing is I finally got my last box. So you know what that means. It is giveaway time. This is the giveaway video. You guys get ready. So this, okay, I'm gonna unbox everything and I'm going to explain the rules. There's gonna be 3 chances for you to win what I'm gonna be giving away. 3 chances. So I'll explain everything once I unbox this, and oh my god, I'm so excited that I'm in the video. Like, I'm excited that Shane and Jeffree have watched one of my videos. I mean, it's not the first time that Jeffree Star has watched a video. He kind of might have told me to break up with my boyfriend, but that's for another video. But anyways, if you guys enjoy giveaway videos, if you guys enjoy unboxing videos, if you enjoy Jeffree Star, if you enjoy spoiler videos, then give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so this is the deluxe box. I've been waiting on this forever, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up and reveal the contents. I'm so excited to see this mystery highlighter in here. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It looks so cool. You guys just don't even know how freaking excited I am. I don't know. It's a good day. It's a good day. Oh my goodness. Here's the contents of the box. Okay. So, the first item that's in the box is a t-shirt. So excited, I got size large. Okay. Here it is. It says can't relate and it has skeleton fingers. How cute is that? How freaking cute. Oh my god, I love this. Okay, I cannot wait to wear that. Woo! I cannot wait. Okay, wait. I want to see what gloss I got. Oh my god, I got a different one that I thought was in the, I got a different one than what I put in the spoiler video. I got Diet Freeze. I don't know what this is. Okay, the gloss, Diet Freeze. I'm so excited. What is Diet Freeze? I don't remember the shade. Is this blue? Oh my god, is this blue? Okay, how many times am I gonna say that? Oh, this is so pretty. Look, it's so pretty. Oh, okay. I gotta swatch. Let me take this off so I can swatch with my arms. Okay, wearing the last mystery shirt. Okay, here it is. There's Diet Freeze, and I'm so excited. I love his glosses. They're so pretty. Oh, I love this. Okay, and they smell so good and they're not sticky. I love his glosses. So this is Diet Freeze. Oh my god, I love this. I'm so excited. The next item in the box is the Mini Breaker palette, and this is going to be in the giveaway. I'm so excited. So stay tuned to the end of the video. Okay, so the next item in the box is Poinsettia. I have this shade already, you guys. So this is going to go in the giveaway. How exciting. You guys, I love this shade. This is going to be the perfect Christmas shade. I'm so excited for whoever wins. I will swatch it at the end of the video, but giveaway. Okay. And then I have a lip ammo in the shade Candy Freeze. This is so pretty. I saw it online, but I cannot wait to swatch it for you. Okay. I'm so excited. I've already tried the other 2 and they feel like chapstick on my lips. I don't even know how to explain it, but they feel so good and they're so pretty. Okay. Oh, I love this. Yes. And it smells good too. So this is Candy Freeze. I'm excited. Okay. And then a liquid frost. Oh, this is in the shade Frostbite. Okay, I saw other people get the Goddess shade, which is like really dark. So if you did get that really dark shade and it doesn't, obviously you cannot wear it as like a highlight because it's too dark. You can put it on your shoulders and chest for like a little bit of a highlight moment there. Oh my God, this is white. Oh my God, I'm excited. Okay. Pump it up. Well, actually, I'm not gonna squirt it out because it's gonna like go everywhere, but what? I haven't seen this variation of a box before. Oh, I like put way too much. I'm excited. I literally thought I was gonna get the variation box that I saw already, but I'm not. Oh my God, this could be the perfect highlight for me. Oh my God, and then imagine it as an all over body highlight. Wow, that is so pretty, you guys. Oh my God, it smells good. I'm so excited. I'm excited. Yay. Okay, and then we got the Mystery Skin Frost, and this is called Mystery Frost. I saw pictures and I was so excited to see this. Oh my God. Okay, here it is. Here it is. It's huge. Oh my God. How amazing is this? Oh my God. When I saw it, I was like, this reminds me of like a cookie that's like been sitting there forever and it's getting all moldy. This reminds me of a moldy cookie. Oh my God, it's so pretty. I love this. For a mystery shade, mystery Halloween themed box, this is what I'm talking about. This looks scary. This looks disgusting, but in like the best way possible. Tell me this does not look like a moldy cookie. I love it. Okay. Okay. I want to try and swatch like the darker portion first. Okay, so here's the darker of the highlight. Okay, and then I'm going to swatch the lighter portion. So the dark portion and the light, and then let's just mix it on up, and then the black mixes in with it. Oh, heavens to Betsy, and then it creates a whole different color. Oh my goodness gracious, girl. Look at that. It almost makes it green. It does. Oh my God, I swatched in such a bad place that I can't tell, but when you mix it all up, it's green. Oh my God. I cannot wait to play with this. I cannot wait. Okay, moving on. So the last big item in the box is, of course, a Jeffree Star mirror, you guys. So let's open it up. Let's open her up. Bum, ba, ba, ba. The Jeffree Star mirror, and this is exclusive only to the Halloween mystery boxes. So oh, I just got a swatchy in here. You cannot buy this mirror. You're never gonna see this mirror again, okay? The Jeffree Star mirror. Going in the giveaway because I have it. So the mirror is gonna go in the giveaway. Okay, you guys, so let's get down to business and talk about what we're gonna be giving away in this video. Okay, so now I have, of course, three mini breaker palettes. I opened this one up, but I'm gonna keep the tissue on here. And I'm gonna be giving away some lipsticks and, of course, the mirror. And I'm not completely sure how to do this, where if I give away, you know, one palette with the mirror and all the lipsticks, and then 2 palettes, one winner would only win like the bigger prize. And I don't want anyone to feel like they got gypped, that they only got a mini breaker and they didn't get everything else. So I'm gonna do a separate giveaway for the 2 palettes, so there'll be 2 winners in that. So I'm only gonna do 1 mini breaker palette in this video because I just don't want anybody to like feel like they missed out on getting everything. I don't want anybody to like feel bad. So one person will win this mini breaker palette, this mirror, hold on, the Poinsettia liquid lipstick. It's so pretty. I'm gonna swatch it. And then I got this Jeffree Star lipstick bundle here, and I have 2 shades out of here. So I already have Watermelon Soda and I have Doll Parts. So someone is going to also win these 2 mini shades. These are very pretty, and I'm going to swatch them for you so you can see exactly what you're getting. So let's go ahead and get into that, and I will talk about the details and how you can win this. So let me set everything to the side and get to the swatches, because I know you guys are dying to see and I'm dying to show you. This is like the biggest giveaway I've ever done. So I'm going to consider this my 2,000 subscriber giveaway, even though I have like 3,500 subscribers now, which is insane because I did not have that the other day. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys and you make me so happy. But anyways, let's get to the swatches. So I have Poinsettia already and I love this. This is the Zombie Kiss lipstick from the other mystery box. And it's just like this one, which I was hoping it was. So this is the metallic called Poinsettia, and you will be winning this lipstick. Now this is going to be perfect for Christmas. It's so pretty. I love this. I've been waiting to rock this shade for the whole month of like December and November, because it's just the perfect shade for Christmas and metallic. So it'll look like this on the lips. The other shade that you can win, which is one of my favorite shades from Jeffree Star, and this is Watermelon Soda, and it smells like watermelon. It's so good. So you're gonna win this liquid lipstick in the shade Watermelon Soda. Okay. And then the other shade that you will win is Doll Parts, and this is another one that I really like. So here we go. And what I love about this is that all of these shades are super wearable. So whoever wins will be completely happy. You'll be able to wear these shades because these are like extremely wearable shades. Look how Poinsettia is like drying down. That is so pretty. Okay. And then you will also win the mini breaker. This is mine. I love it. You guys, again, I was featured in the Shane and Geoffrey series when I was playing with this palette. I actually got the palette before launch because he had it up for 20 minutes only, and I snatched it up, okay? So I got it and I made the video, and I only have like 1,000 views on that, but Jeffrey and Shane watched it. What? They watched it. So I'm gonna swatch some stuff for you. I'm just gonna swatch it on my arms. If you guys want to see individual swatches, I will have the link to my video down below, so you can see how they look on the eyes. This is like my favorite shade in here. So you can see how they look on the eyes. It is so gorgeous. I love it. This shade's really pretty too. It's like a duochrome. If I even like, I didn't even swatch that good. It hits the light differently. It's so good. You guys don't even know. Okay. When I like start work, okay, here we go. And then another shade. Oh, I love this shade. I've worn it multiple times. It's so pretty. Oh man, get in there. This one, I apologize about my swatches because we're just doing the thing, okay? That's so vibrant. Hold on, it's just, oh, so pretty. So here's all the swatches to the mini breaker. So pretty, and you guys can win this. So there are 3 chances for you to get your name in the whole like compile. How do I explain this? Okay, you have 3 chances to win. I'm gonna be doing the random generator pick. That's the first time I'm gonna do it. I was selecting people differently. Like I let my dog pick my giveaway winner. I pulled a name out of my hat. But this time I'm gonna select someone through a random generator. So instead of having your name and 1 chance to have your name in there, you know, like the Goblet of Fire, Harry Potter, did you put your name in the goblet of fire? Like that. Okay, so let's pretend we have a goblet of fire, and this is going to be the random generator. Okay, so you're going to like this video, be a subscriber. You have to be subscribed to my channel, and leave a comment down below. When you leave a comment down below, you're putting your name in the goblet of fire. Number 2, be following me on Instagram. I'm going to have the giveaway photo on my Instagram. Like it and comment down below. When you comment on that video, your name will be in the goblet of fire. So you're gonna have 2 chances to win all of this stuff. Number 3, this one's gonna be a little tricky. You don't have to follow me on Twitter, but I want you guys to tweet out at Shane, Jeffrey, and Andrew, because I'm so excited that they actually put me in their video for like a few seconds. It made me so happy. I want them to know how happy they made me. So I want you guys to tweet at them. So I'm going to, I have a video clip of me like reacting to me seeing myself already on my Twitter. I'll put the tweet right here. So go find me on Twitter, find that, and then I want you to retweet that on your Twitter, and at Jeffree Star, Andrew, and Shane, and just put on there, hey, she was in your video, show her some love, whatever you guys want to say, and then tag me in it, and then hashtag connorkrystyn right here. I'll say it right here. Hashtag connorkrystyn, please spell it correctly, because I'm gonna put your name in the goblet of fire for a 3rd time with that hashtag. So everyone that is subscribed to my channel and comments down below, follows me on Instagram and comments on the giveaway photo, and retweets my post from Twitter and hashtag connorkrystyn so I can see it. And please at Jeffrey, Shane, and Andrew so they can see it, because I just want them to know that they made me the happiest girl alive. So that's the 3 chances for you to win. Okay, you guys, so here's the deal. Today is October 19th. The giveaway is going to end on Saturday, November 2nd. So Saturday, November 2nd at midnight, whatever your time is, you will not be able to enter the giveaway at all. And I will announce the winner on November 3rd. So you have 2 weeks to enter the giveaway. So the only thing is you have to be a US resident to enter the giveaway. You can't enter the giveaway if you're from a different country. I'm so sorry. It's US residents only. In the future, I will consider doing, you know, a international giveaway, but this one's just for US only. I apologize. I'm so sorry. But I just want to stress that it's US only. So follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Jeffree Star, do that. I'll have all the details down below so you guys can follow it step by step, and that's how you're going to win the giveaway. And when this giveaway ends is when I will do my other giveaway with the other 2 mini breaker palettes, which will have 2 winners in it. I just wanted to let one person win and nobody feel left out if I did all 3 at once. So this one's the big shebang, okay? So I appreciate all of you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you guys so much for, you know, just being here and being so supportive. I love all of you, and good luck. And we'll see who wins. I'm so excited for this giveaway. You guys don't understand. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.